At this time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
For those of you who didn't believe that he exists, I found him. I found him in Yerevan, Armenia. So it's 2019, it's the first video in this year. This year decided to focus on quality rather than on quantity. And it's already 9 years since I got my license. It was interesting time. I got 2 type ratings. The first one was Learjet 60. It's still valid. The second one was Falcon 2000. It was expired in 2015, I believe, because the company sold the airplane. Actually, they sold both airplanes. And that's when I started my European career. So the plan for January is to have a vacation. We're gonna go to mountains. And the general plan for 2019 is to get new type ratings because there are not that much litters left in Europe. So I really have to get a better type rating. Let's see if this is gonna happen. So right now I'm gonna go back home, and I go home via Moscow. My airplane is about to board, so I better go to my gate. Let's go.
200, 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, retard, drive.